Hey everybody, I'm out here helping my brother do his oil change on his Audi. I'm just gonna give you a quick review on how to do that, or what we're doing, or what it entails to do. So first thing is you take the cover off, and your oil filter is right up top, right here. It's plastic, 36 millimeter socket will take it right off. Filter's inside, real simple. Make sure you change both seals. There's a top seal and a seal on the side of the where the housing actually screws down. And in case you don't know, this is the actual V6 3.2 FSI dipstick oil fill area. This is the bottom of the car. You got to take that plastic piece that covers this whole area here off. This is your oil pan, and the oil drain plug is right here on the side. It's already been taken out. We've drained the oil. We're good to go. Once we're done draining the oil, we'll go ahead and put the cover back on. It's only like 5 or 6 screws, I think. And just to let you know, this bolt, the drain bolt, is actually a 19 millimeter. This is what happens when I do work in front of my house. Everybody comes out. So once you put the oil in, this vehicle takes about 8.6 quarts of oil. It's crazy, but that's what it takes. Check your, run it for a few seconds. Check your dipstick, make sure it's on full where it's supposed to be, and you're all set. Put the covers back in, and that's basically your Audi oil change.
That was the oil filter in here?
No, the oil, that's the oil fill.
Okay.
Oil filter's underneath this cover, that big block right there.
Wow.
All right, you all, take care. God bless. Have a good day.